Okay, so firstly, you're going to log into your YouTube account. You're going to search up YouTube, you're going to log in. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to click the little profile icon. You're going to go to your settings. You're going to go to the account page, and then once you're there, it's going to show you create new account. Now, once you want to create a new channel, you have to have a brand for it. But for example, for mine, I'm going to put my full name, Denise Reyes, then click create. Wait for it to load, and then once it fully loads, you're going to have your own YouTube account, your whole channel where you can upload videos and just have your own separate space to do whatever it is that you want. Okay, now secondly, for this one, we're going to see how to upload a video. Now, firstly, you're going to want to go to your YouTube. You're going to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once it loads, you're going to go to the upper right where there's a little camera and it's going to say upload a video. Now, once you click on it, it's going to tell you to select a file, which is where you're going to choose the video that you want and make sure that it's in the right area. Wherever it is that you have it, you're going to make sure that you click on it. Now, for my example, it was right there at the bottom, so I'm just going to choose it and open. Now, once the file is uploaded, it's going to take you to the 3 steps that you have to have in order to upload the video that you want. Now, in this part, the details, you pick the title, a description if you want, but for my example, I'm not going to. There's thumbnails, different things that you can do for your video, but for my example, I'm not going to be doing any of these requirements. I'm going to just simply pick that it is made for kids, which is a requirement in order to go to the next steps. And then now, once my video is uploading, I will click next to go to the video elements, which is where I have different options as to add an end screen, the cards, there's just different things you can do, but I am not going to be doing any of these things. Now I'm going to the final step, which is where you choose how you want your video to upload, whether public, private, whatever it is you want. You can also schedule, but that won't be necessary either. Then now is the last step where you are able to publish your video. For the uploading, it might take a while, a few minutes, in order to get to 100% for you to be able to upload. But as for being able to upload a video, this is just simply what you have to do. Okay, lastly, for this step, you're going to see how to create a QR code. Now, you're going to type in flowcode.com to be able to go into the website that allows you to make this code. Next, you're going to paste the URL code as to what video or picture you want for the QR code. Once it's pasted, it shows you the QR code, but the website gives you different ways to make it. Now you have patterns for it, which just basically changes what's inside. For my example, I'm going to be sticking with standard, but next you have an option of colors. For my example, I'm going to be sticking with the color mint, which flows better with what I'm going to show you later in the video. Next, you pick a theme, which is how you want the QR code to show physically. Again, for my example, I'm going to stick with standard, but you can choose however you want. Next, you're going to type in an email that allows you to be able to use the QR code that the website is providing. Now just type it, put the password to make sure that it's all correct in order to be able to download. Once it's downloaded, it's going to take you to a separate page, which just basically is the final step and your QR code is complete. Once you allow it, you're going to click on the little download icon, which is on the upper right, and you're going to click what it is that it downloaded. Once you open it, you're going to be able to save it in whatever way you want. You can title it, put it where you want, just make sure it's in a place where you can reach later on. Now, once it's saved, you go to where you want it to show. For my example, I'm going to put it in a presentation, a little PowerPoint. I'm going to put it in my last slide, but all you have to do is go to Insert Picture from File and choose it to where it is that you saved. Now, since I did it right now, it's in my recents, which is right there. I'm going to click it and put Insert.